Okay, sir.
Good morning, students. Today we will discuss cross multiplication method. This method is applicable to solve linear equations. These are linear equations with degree 1. Now we want to get a common solution for both these equations. A solution which will satisfy both the equations. So what's the first step? To do cross multiplication method. But this is what we know by cross multiplication method. How do we apply this? First, we will write these equations in such a way that the constant term comes on left side. On the right side, there is 0. So we will rewrite both these equations. We will get 2x plus 3y minus 46 is equal to 0. Okay, this is my first equation. I'll name it 1. And my second equation would be 3x plus 5y minus 74 is equal to 0. This is my second equation. All right, guys. Now, how do I do cross multiplication method? Now, this is my coefficients of x in both the equation. These are, I call them, you can call them A1, A2, or like that only you leave it. They are 2 and 3, all right? These coefficients. So now you can also say that, in the numbering, they are coefficient, they are the first coefficients. Then these are the second coefficients of y. Then 3 you give as the constant term. Now the constant term is not 46. Now the constant term is minus 46. And the constant term of this equation is minus 74. Now you rewrite these constants A1, A2, B1, B2, and then C1, C2 in this manner. See here, very important, 2, then 3, then 1, then 2. Now, what are the coefficients, in the second column? 3, 5. So, you will write these coefficients 3 and 5. Now, 2, 3, 1, 2. On this column, what are the coefficients? Minus 46, minus 74. What are the coefficients in one group? It's 2 and 3. And second, same 3, 5. 3, 5. So we have written the coefficients in this way. See guys, so strange is mathematics. Different ways to get to the solution, different ways to solve. So the more you go deep, better you understand. Now, we use cross multiplication here. Okay. Now, see what you do. Now, after you have finished 2, 3, 1, 2, writing the coefficients in this way, in the middle of coefficients, constants or coefficients in second and third column, write down x. In the middle of third and first coefficients, write down here y. In the middle of first and third, you write down 1. Very important. Here 1. X, y, we don't have z, we'll write 1. And now what you do? X divided by, multiply this with this and subtract this from this. So we'll multiply minus 74. Whenever you have negative term, put it in bracket, multiply by 3. All right. And subtract the product of these two from the product of these. So it's minus 5 into minus 46 equal to, this thing will be equal to, second is y. Y divided by, multiply same way, this and this minus this into this. So it's 3 into minus 46 minus 2 into minus 74. Guys, you have to be very, very careful regarding positive and negative sign. You don't do any mistake. Is equal to, third is 1 divided by 5 to the 10 minus 3 3 is a 9. Well, this is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Now straight away you will get the value for x when you solve this, because this into this will be 1. So now what do you do? Third step is, we have seen that this is equal to this is also equal to 1. So we can straight away say that this is equal to 1. From here we will get x. And then we will say this whole thing is equal to 1. We'll get the value of y. So you see that I'm trying to solve this. Now it is x divided by, now please solve this. This is minus 4 3 12, 1, 7 3s are 21 and 1 22. Minus into minus is plus, so it will be 6 5s are tell me 6 30, 6 5s are 33, 5 4s are 20 and 3 23. Once again, you see this is 23, right? Now I said this thing is equal to this thing is equal to this, so this is equal to 1. From here straight away I will get x is equal to, now again cross multiplication, this whole thing into 1 is equal to x. So 3 230 minus 222 is 8. X is equal to 8. You get the answer. And then to get the y, how you will do? Now this whole thing is equal to 1. So I will say y divided by, now do this plus into minus is minus. Now 6 is a 18, 1, 3 4 is a 3 4 is a 12, and 1 is 13. Am I right? So this is minus 138, and then minus into minus is plus, 4 to the 8 and 7 to the 14. This is 148 is equal to 1. It's like, guys, you see that this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So obviously this is also equal to this is also equal to this. So from here I will get y is equal to, now guys, 148 minus 138 is 10. So 10 into 1 is again 10. So my final solution, or you can say my common solution, it depends upon how you write, is what? X is 8 and y is 10. Now guys, if you try to put this value in these equations, you will get the same answer. Let's try. X is 8, 8 to the 16 plus 10 3s are 30. That is 46. Put the same value here. 8 3s are 24 plus 5 10s are 50. 50 plus 24 is 74. So guys, this is cross multiplication method. Well explained. If you have any doubts, you can always come back. Wish you all the best.